seems that lots of these informal eating joints are closed, shut down. Something is happening. I don't know what it is. Maybe if I did a round of all the places I ate in and realize all of them are shut in the last 5 years or 7 years, they're not being shut because it seems it's not because of economics. Because students are interested. There is demand. So maybe there is something else happening.
Even we have these campaigns which are very weird. Like there is this university campaign against junk food, via which there's something like this. Technically, they close the Nescafe in Hindu college, alright? Because of this campaign. My question is that if your canteen is selling samosas and same thing which you are food, and then you are saying that is junk food, but you can't do anything about it because it's a college canteen and the college administration won't let you interfere. But since the Nescafe is a private organization that you can directly intervene and therefore
So you want samosas to be banned?
No, I don't want samosas to be banned, but then
Why ban Nescafe? Why can't you ban samosas then? And even as like readily bad, the oil in which they cook it, it's all unhealthy food. Can be
also the point about
There's no good dabbawala here in campus, whoever stays here. That quality is bad in a within kind of institutional setup. So therefore, one solution is that you hand over management to somebody else, a private operator, who has to care about profits, who will improve quality.
What I mean to say, like partnerships.
Yeah,
when the
exactly.
government takes over some private companies, they outsource the management, part of the management of the private companies, and they maintain a certain amount of shares so that they can have like monetary control over it. So it can be applied in a small way as like
So
nothing
basically,
even.
Private and public venture.
There should be collaborative
Catering
process.
to the university, which basically has a representative strength all around the country.
who will do this in Delhi University?
Not the university person,
Delhi University
Delhi government
gets money from the government.
Of course, the university is a government fund, it's a public institution, right? As long as it's getting funding from the government has to its policies.
Supposed to be for the blind because it's for a different texture so that the person can feel and walk.
No, which lane?
Then, yeah, it leads to a place every 2 minutes. One person is going to blind. I don't know about other colleges, but and it doesn't have ramps and all.
It doesn't have anything, like for
So,
example, if it
people,
rains,
yeah.
anybody who's coming in from say a wheelchair
Exactly.
before you go people also can't come in because of the water. You just don't.
Me and her, we were sitting in that bridge near Hindu College, and around 3 or 4 guys came. They took our mobile and purse, and they were of the age group of around 18 or 20. They were kind of well dressed and seemed like they were students from DU only. So that is also an issue, security.
Did you file a complaint?
No,
Why?
our parents didn't allow us to. They said leave it.
But that's not
They didn't want us to go to all that police station and get a complaint lodged.
See, that's the thing. When something
They didn't
like
want
this
us to
happens,
involve
they
in
get
it.
away scot free. तो निकल गए ना वो लोग कल फिर से करेंगे किसी और के साथ. That's something that you have to do. चोरी हो गई. Police station is 5 minutes away from the reach.
Parents, they don't understand this, no? They will ask us, why did you go there?
Firstly, there has to be a more personal connect between organizations and individuals who are part of the organization, namely students and the university. Students and university.
More personal connect.
There has to be more personal connect with students.
How do you do that?
You do that by interactions with people who are, as you said, the senior students and people who just come in. If the government to come up a little more and help, I mean, it's hard pressed for resources, I understand that. But then there are certain subtle changes that can be brought about to help people out and like the metro,